Good evening. My name is Kelly Miller. I'm the proud principal here at Lincoln Trail Elementary School, and we are getting ready to welcome our families into our 22-23 open house. We are so excited to have our families join us for this event and welcome them back into our building and start our school year with our students successfully.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Williams, Family Resource Coordinator here at Lincoln Trail Elementary. Super excited to start the 22-23 school year. We have lots of new programs and activities that we're going to be doing throughout the year. Just met with 5th grade leadership. We're also going to be having a lot of events coming up in the fall. Check out our social media pages for all of those events, some parent cafes going on. So just super excited to start the school year.
Hello, this is Coach Mason with Victry Martial Arts, and we're here at Lincoln Trail Elementary, and we are welcoming our kids back to school.
Hi, my name's Carrie. I'm the cafeteria manager here at Lincoln Trail, and this year we are a CEP school, which means all kids can eat breakfast and lunch here for free.
My name is Miss Bland, and I'm the librarian here at Lincoln Trail Elementary, and we're so excited to start the school year and have the students come back, and excited about them finding books they love to read and finding out what their interests are, and especially our kindergartners coming in for the first time and getting to check out books, and that's always exciting. And we just look forward to having our students and definitely instilling a love of learning.
Good evening. Thank you for joining us tonight. My name is Steve Sherrard. I'm with Transportation. Been a bus driver for over 20 years. We have fellow bus drivers that are here tonight at Lincoln Trail Elementary doing our open house, and tonight we are just going to try to help parents if they need help with information about routing, about pickups and drop-offs of their students. If you have any questions about transportation, you can always call the bus garage or call Lincoln Trail Elementary, and they will give you all the information that you need.
My name is Kelly Blair, and I am the guidance counselor here at Lincoln Trail Elementary. We thank you all for coming, and we're excited for a new school year.